Have you ever visited a website and then you went to Facebook or Instagram, and the second that you opened up your news feed, you immediately see that website or that product that you were looking at on the website? That's called retargeting. Specifically on Facebook and Instagram, this is how you're going to set that up. You're gonna head over to business.facebook.com/ads manager. In the top left corner, you're gonna select the 3 horizontal lines, select audiences, select create custom audience. This window is going to pop up. You have so many different sources that you can retarget. If somebody visits your website, you'll have to have a pixel installed, but if somebody visits your website, you can retarget them. If you have an email list that you purchased or an email list from your CRM, you can export as a CSV file, import it, and then retarget them. If you have anybody interacting with your Facebook videos, your Instagram videos, whether they engage or like and follow your accounts, you can retarget them.